I'm so happy to see you. Here's a big hug. Hug. Oh, yeah, you're right here in my heart. So when I hug myself, I'm hugging you. Well, it's so good to see you. Let's sing our happy song. Happy day, day, day. Grandkids like to say happy day. Happy day, day, day. Grandkids like to say happy day. And grandmas, happy day. Happy day, day, day. Grandmas like to say happy day. Happy day. Happy day, day. Grandmas like to say happy day, happy day, happy day. Yay! Woo! Oh, it's so fun. I have such a good thing planned for you today. Do you know that I have a book about choo-choo trains and animals? They go together in this book. Super awesome. Do you know about choo-choo trains? I bet you have some, and you can put them together, and they go around a track. And what did choo-choo trains say? Choo-choo! Can you make that sound with me? Are you ready? Choo-choo! Choo-choo! You try it. Choo-choo! Let's hear you. Yeah! I love it. I love it. Okay, it's right here. Check it out. What? Oh, it's Bear. What? You want to? Oh, he's clapping. He's so happy. He likes trains too. Oh, yes. What? Oh, and he wants a big hug. Hug. Are you ready for a train book and animals? Oh, I don't know if there's bears on the train. I haven't read the book yet. You hope there's bears? Well, you could be on it. Okay, we'll just have you on the train. Here we go. Look at, here's the front of the book. You see that big lion? There's a big lion on the train. Do you want to get on the train with the lion? You don't? He's a nice lion. Well, are you sure? Okay, well, do you want to sit over there with our lion? You know our lion's nice, huh? Okay. Here's our lion. Where is he? Oh, here he is. Okay. There's our lion. Roar. What does a lion say? Roar. And what does a bear say? Grrr. They're kind of the same. Can you make them together? Roar. Roar. Oh, you like that, huh? Yeah. Okay. How about the two of you go over there and sit? All right? Okay, here you go. You go right here. You can sit by the doggies. Okay, the doggies will like that. There you go. Whoops. Lion, come back here. All right. Everybody happy? Okay. You just sit right there. Okay. All right. So we got a little tiny choo-choo down here and a great big lion on top. Do you see the choo-choo? Choo-choo train and a great big lion. And then we'll open the book and see what's inside. Oh, wow, lots of numbers. If you wanted to, you could count all these numbers. Look at them. Ooh, do you know how to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it on the other hand. Okay, you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. Okay, let's turn the page. Doot. Here we go. Look at that. It's a big choo-choo train. Let's make it go past. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Yeah, choo-choos are always fun. All right, let's turn the page and see what's going to happen. It says, 1, 2, 3 to the zoo. I guess they're going to the zoo. Okay, open it up. 1. Who's number 1 there? There's 1. Do you know what that is? What is it? That's right, it's an elephant. And what sound does the elephant make? Papa G's really good at that sound. Grandma's not so good, but I will try. Can you make it? And you can make an elephant nose like this, or you could make it with your whole arm. What's an elephant's nose called? A trunk. Do you see his trunk? He has a big trunk, and he's a great big gray elephant. Boom, 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 boom. Papa G knows a song about baby elephants. Maybe we'll have him sing it for us sometime. All right, let's look at the other page. Ooh, 2, 1, 2. There's the 2. 2, you know what those are? Hippos. 2 hippos. And hippos are big. They are really big. And they have big teeth. But you know what they eat? They eat vegetables like Grandma. I have big teeth too, and I eat mostly plants. You think there's some plants in the train for him? I hope so. 1, 2 hippos and 1 elephant. 1, 2. Let's turn the page. Let's see. Come on, pages. Don't stick. We got this. Okay. It's Great Ma's favorite. 3 giraffe. 1, 2, 3 giraffe. And you know what's so cool about giraffe? They are tall. You see, my hand went all the way up. I'm a big, tall giraffe. Can you do this and be a giraffe? 1, 2, 3, giraffe. Boop, 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 boop. Let's feed our giraffes, okay? Here's some food, giraffe. Here you go. Oh, what a nice giraffe. Okay. There they are, 3 giraffe on the train. And what's over here? There's not just 1 lion on this train. How many lions? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lions. And what do lions say? Do you remember? Remember? Roar. That's right. They make a big growling sound. They're so loud and they're so beautiful. So we have 3 giraffe and 4 lions on the train. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's turn the page. All the way open. Ooh, there are bears. How many bears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bears on the train. Oh, look down here. There's a little tiny train. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little pieces of the train that are going along behind it. That's so cool. Okay, and what did bear say? Do you remember? Hey, you want to come over here and tell them? Roar! They say grrr. But this one is so huggy. Even though he gurrs, he does it nice. He goes like this. Grrr. That's right. He's a polar bear. You know how you can tell? He's all white. Okay, polar bear, you want to go back over there? You want to stay? Okay, I'll hold you. But look what's next. Do you know what that is? Yeah, yeah, it's crocodiles or maybe alligators. I don't really know which one. Let's hold it up so our grandkids can see. Do you see that? There's one, two, three, four, five, six. Six crocodiles or maybe alligators. I don't know. And you know what a crocodile does, right? Oh yeah, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Okay, so you put one arm like this, and you put one arm like this, and then you go, rop, rop, rop. That's a crocodile. Crocodile smile. They have a great big smile. A great big crocodile smile. Woo! Okay, let's count them one more time. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six crocodiles. Whoa. Let's turn the page. What? What are those? Do you know what those are? When Grandma goes out on her board in the bay, I see these. I really do. These are seals. They're not sea lions. The sea lions have little ears. These are seals. How many seals are there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven seals. And you know that they swim most of the time. They love swimming. But they make a sound like a doggy. They bark. You want to hear how they sound? Woof, woof. Not quite. More like arr, arr. That's it. Arr, arr. Can you do that? Arr, 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 arr. Doggies are more like woof, woof. And seals are more like arr, arr. Get the difference? A little bit of difference here. Do we have any doggies around here? Oh yeah, we do. Hi, doggy. You want to come and see them? Come here. What do you think? I guess they speak the same language. That's great. Okay, doggy, go back over. Here, you can sit with Bear. Okay, they're down there on the ground. What's next? Brookie likes these guys. The monkeys. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight monkeys. Do you see all those monkeys? Wow, that's a lot of monkeys. And the monkeys are so crazy. They can hold on with their tails. They can hold on with their hands. They can hold on with their little feetsies. Look at them. Boy, are they having some fun. And here's the train down here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight, 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 eight. Wow, that's a lot of fun. All those monkeys. Whoa. Okay, let's turn the page. Whoa, what's next? Snakes. Do you know what sound they make? They make a sound and they wiggle like this. So you can wiggle and you can and everyone will know you're being a snake. Okay, you ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 snakes. Let's count them one more time. It's kind of hard. Let's go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's 9. 9 of them. That is not easy because their bodies go all over the place. You see that? Wow. Snakes. And what's on this page? You see what they are? All kinds of birds. How fun. I love birds. Who's here? Who's a bird? What? Oh, rah, rah. Here's Black Crow coming down. Well, yeah, there. I don't know. Let's see if there's any. Yep, there's some black crows right there for you. They say All right, let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. It looks like these are storks or herons, and I can see herons out there on the bay, and they go, they make that sound like that. And these guys are toucans, it looks like. I don't know what sound they make. But look, here's some owls. Do you know what sound an owl makes? Hoo, hoo. Can you make that sound? It's so pretty. Hoo, hoo. I like that. And then some Tweety birds. You could whistle or you could go tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah, that's beautiful. All those animals. What? Oh, yeah, we got penguin over there too. You're right. Penguin's a bird too. And here's a bluebird. Come here, bluebird. Bluebird's flying over to say hi. All friends. Good. Go back on over there. There's armadillo. You got it. Okay. And let's see. There's some more pages. We're going to keep counting, it looks like. What? Where did they end up? It looks like they're all in the zoo. Do you see all those places where they went? Here's the bears over here. And here's the birds. There's the monkeys. Yeah. Looks like the sea lions are over here in the water. Yeah. The crocodiles are over there. And over here, the hippos. And there's the elephant. And right in the middle is the lions. Aren't they all so beautiful? And here's a man with some balloons. Wow, lots of fun things there. Oof, all those beautiful things. You could make your own zoo. I've got my zoo back here. You could make your own zoo with your own animals. That would be really great. And let's see, there's one more page with all those numbers and counting, counting, counting. Let's go through the book one more time and see what colors there are. He's kind of orange and yellow and all these colors of the numbers. And the choo-choo train's very colorful. Look at all those colors. The wheels are red. See the red? Let's see what else. Oh, the elephant is gray. And the hippos are kind of blue, gray, and they have pretty red mouths and white teeth. Let's see what else. These guys are yellow and brown and yellow. They're beautiful. And the bears are brown, and the crocodiles are green. Those sea lions, the seals, are blue. The monkeys are mostly red, but they have some other colors in them too. And the snakes, we got blue snakes, green snakes, yellow snakes, more green snakes. Beautiful. And the birds are all kinds of gorgeous colors, aren't they? And the zoo, beautiful colors everywhere. And the balloons are different colors. And the train is so happy because he's all empty now. Yep, that is a fun book. Thanks for reading it with me. Wow, hugs. Why don't we sing a song about some animals? That would be fun. Let's see. The wheels on the train go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train go round and round, all the way to the zoo. Let's see, lions on the train go grr, 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 grr. The lions on the train go grr, 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 all the way to the zoo. The bears on the train go rah, 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 rah. The bears on the train go rah, 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 all the way to the zoo. Big hugs, big hugs. That was beautiful. Thanks for singing with me. Oh, here's our lion. Rawr. He's so cute. Wow, very, very fun. Okay, should we sing our happy song? Let's sing it. I'm ready. Mm. Happy day, day, day. Grandkids like to say, happy day, happy day, happy day, day, day. Grandkids like to say, happy day, happy day, happy day. Yay! Ah, well, thank you for reading that book with me. It's a new one I got and I thought you would like it. With trains and zoos and animals. But mostly, you know what I like? Being with you. And I'm with you all the time. You know why? Because you're right here in my heart. So let's give each other a big hug. Hug. Feels so good. I love you, my grandchildren. Big hug. Hug.